Hey everyone, before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Let's get started. Ever felt that pang of loss after a truly amazing show ends? And remember the weight of Attack on Titan's conclusion? It left a void, didn't it? Uh, for many, Attack on Titan stands as a pinnacle. Uh, it's a masterpiece, a benchmark for anime storytelling, a series that likely won't be matched easily. But what if there's a series stepping into the light? One experiencing a resurgence, gaining incredible praise, and potentially filling that void. Enter Chainsaw Man. Oh, its manga has already earned legendary status, and the recent anime movie adaptation is sending shockwaves through the community. The premise differs, but Chainsaw Man is absolutely a must-see for any Attack on Titan fan. The story follows Denji, a young man who merges with a devil named Pochita. He becomes a human-devil hybrid, joining the public safety devil hunters to fight other devils, which is maybe this really similarity. You'll notice that some similar source of praises in place to use, maybe like Attack on Titan, Chainsaw Man explores themes of violence, survival, and what it means to fight for a better world. While Attack on Titan was already recognized for its maturity, Chainsaw Man takes it a step further, delivering an even more intense experience. The anime adaptation initially launched in 2021, but it didn't quite reach its full potential. However, the manga's popularity soared, and now the Resi Arc movie is igniting a new wave of excitement. This movie is a game changer, and it's currently the second highest grossing anime movie of the year, even rivaling Infinity Castle in some regions. The Resi Arc movie fixes what wasn't working and delivers a visually stunning, emotionally gripping experience. And it's a true spectacle, a story that resonates deeply with viewers. Thanks to this, incredible film has been thrust back into the spotlight, proving that this series is an investment worth making. The franchise is experiencing a full-blown rebirth, and anticipation is high for future adaptations. It's like finding out you can still get good coffee after the barista has taken a break. Attack on Titan's manga concluded in 2021, spanning 34 volumes. It was adapted into 4 seasons and several movies, all available on Crunchyroll. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.